Good morning, amigos. Another day to make another pound. Welcome back. For those of you who have been following the channel, you know that I've got the vanity and the tiles in the back. I'll be installing the vanity and I'll be delivering the tiles to Clarendon. I've just arrived at Bourne Street, waiting for Batman to arrive. The client gave Tony a call telling him that she can only open up at 9 this morning because she's got a guest over and we're gonna kill some time. Maybe we'll grab a cup of coffee once Batman arrives. Sounds like a plan.
Morning, Igor.
Morning, Batman.
How's it going?
I'm loving it. How you doing?
All good, all good. Just waiting for the coffees.
Oh, but you freaking youth. Yes,
I guess
bruh.
that was gonna be a yes.
Yes, that's exactly it. And here he comes. Batman is coming. Check Batman there with little lattes and with his little cigarillos. Good morning, good morning.
Mr. Delivery in the house.
Thank
Good
you, my
morning.
bud.
How you doing?
How you doing?
All good. Sweet like a lemon, sour like a... We won't say it.
Yeah, sour like the job we're doing now.
Oh yes. How's it going?
Lekker, thanks, brother. Bourne Street, Batman. The client has arrived. She's opened up for us. We can start offloading and let's go shake and bake. Make it happen. And this is me and Joe working hard, unlike the guys in the factory.
Yeah.
We're probably doing nothing, having coffee and eating.
They're probably eating without me.
Okay, definitely. Fortunate for us, we don't have to repair the wall because the builder needs to repair the crack. No, Joe, we're not talking about the holes now. So say exactly what happened 5 minutes ago.
Like I was saying, I had to do a slight adjustment because as I was putting it in, I got a shower. As you can see...
Okay, what Joe's trying to say, he shat his pants. He put in the stone into position, but then he decided to flick and the shower
Water fountain.
all over Joe. As you can see, he's nice and wet. Well, now it's dried up, but he's nice and wet. We had water everywhere.
Beautiful.
So that's the action we had.
That's my second shower this month.
Yep. Joe's just doing a little bit of mastic in the shower. We're just touching up a couple of things that we weren't happy with the mastic man that we got to come and do this work. Look how nice that looks. We use the new lith. It's beautiful, finished with our martyrs. We've got our shower tray that we did, the envelope shower tray. That was done, they're running down into the gully. We also have a little martyr upstand step that goes into the shower. All martyred returned niche. We even do a martyr return between stone and cupboard. That's this bathroom here, which is one of the guest bathrooms. The one that we're replacing, we also did the shower. We did the shower envelope, see, running to the edge. We tiled the walls. Our corners we did martyr returns, which finishes it nicely. We also got a little step that we added, a martyred little step so that the water flows inside. Ensuite, beautiful Nila stone. Same thing, we did the shower tray, envelope shower tray, and having a look at the niches, the martyred niches. So So this was also a very nice bathroom. The vanity, nice envelope vanity. Beautiful bathroom. We installed a nice little vanity. We also did this kitchen. We manufactured the island, which has got waterfall legs on both sides. It's got a 300mm return to the back of the legs, installed plugs, and it's got the inside panel. And we've got here the sink run, which with the splashback returned down the wall. Same thing, we've got the sink run with a mitered down stand right through to the end. The veins follow through. So that's the details that we try and focus on. We've completed the vanity installation. Now we're heading out to Clarendon. Choose something good. Bacon it. Like I said, this guy's always eating. You ready?
Oh yes.
Another little snack, lunch. Before we drop off the tiles, we needed some energy.
You can see my nipples.
It's like trying to put it in here. The shower, the vanity, shower tray, floor, the trim inside the wall, top that we installed on the cupboards, and we did polish the edge. Beautiful work. And we've done miters around the niches to see how the colors are looking, if it's looking any better. Okay, this is what we've got. Hey, it does look light, eh? It actually looks like the floor tiles. We're gonna have to install this on Thursday.
Yeah, it's gonna break my heart having to break down a wall.
I know, it sucks, but
It is what it is.
it is what it is, yeah. Not in London without a siren.
Oh, now they went silent.
Georgie, if that's you, you're gonna catch it.
I got it.
Grab Georgie here. I'm gonna catch you. You got it. Yeah, I think I got him now. He's got his leathers.
Can't see his face.
No, I think you're gonna see his face.
Oh, it's a triumph. Nah, forget it. It's a triumph. Fuck, I thought it was a Royal Enfield.
Hey, Superman, Iron Man.
Always working.
Always working.
Yeah.
Ruben's been busy in the factory, finalizing the mitered down stands for the vanities and shelves. We're planning on installing these tomorrow, and I've got I think it's a scullery kitchen, or that's also ready for installation. We will do that tomorrow morning. Actually, tomorrow afternoon. Remember that, please. Remember. Today was a good, productive day. I went into London, installed the vanity, moved the tiles to Clarendon. Hopefully the client accepts those tiles and we can start tiling on Thursday. We've prepared the vanities for tomorrow's installation. I've got that other Constantino kitchen that's ready for us to install tomorrow as well. So that's going to be a heavy day tomorrow. And yeah, so far so good. I've got Manny, who's just brought the tiles from Southampton to send them for water jet cutting. And I need to go do a visit to Southampton to show you guys what he's up to and how that's going. So in saying all that, it's been a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.